Who is a mentor or person who has significantly influenced your career? I follow a lot of online entrepreneurs. One who is specifically in the money mindset space. Her name is Denise Duffield Thomas. She's out of Australia and she's somebody that I have followed for years. She's written 3 books, has a podcast, has her own course, and I've done them all. Basically, done it all, listened to them all, have all the books. And because your money stuff is not anything you're ever going to be done with. It's not anything you're ever gonna check the box and be like, "Yep, I am done. I've completed my money stuff," right? We're all always working on it. So even I have people that I follow. So I follow her as a mentor to myself, and I've incorporated some of her things into my own work, but she's a great person to follow if you're looking for different perspectives. So Denise Duffield Thomas was her name. One other person for kind of the business side of things, the other 2 are more business side of things. One, her name is Liz Wilcox. She specializes in email marketing, and I remember when I first found her a couple of years ago, she loves neon colors and the '90s and boy bands, and I looked at her website, and I was like, "Why is everything hot pink and bright yellow?" And I was like, "This is a little out there." But she is hilarious. Like, she's fantastic. Every time I'm, like, laughing at something and my husband's like, "What's so funny?" I'm like, "Liz Wilcox, just Liz Wilcox." She was also actually on Survivor, the TV show Survivor, a couple years ago, and so she's who got me and my husband to start watching Survivor, and now we still watch Survivor today. All of these links, I will drop links to all these people with the replays as well, and I have affiliate links for a couple of them, but Liz Wilcox, she has a $9 a month membership where she sends you an email template every single Monday, and you can kind of take it as like an ad libs, Mad Libs kind of thing, like plug and play, but gives you ideas of how to email your audience if you are a business owner and have an audience that you're sending emails to on a regular basis. So she's the one that's really helped me make email marketing easy. Her biggest thing is, just email like you're talking to a friend. And then the other one I had written down was Ruth Poundboy. She is a business coach for, she calls it soulful selling, but she's all about helping sensitive business owners, that's her term, sell with more alignment to what feels good for you. Instead of all the like sleazy bro marketing is what she calls it. She makes it easy to share your offers, make offers to people, and help you promote your business. So she's actually the one, I'm part of her membership, and she's the one that her membership just moved over to school at the end of October. That's how I got on the school platform and how I quickly fell in love with school and then decided to launch my own membership, and here I am. So all's meant to be. All the things fell into place as they were meant to be. So would definitely recommend giving her a follow too. She has a free, you can be part of her group for free on school. And again, I'll drop that affiliate link in the comment section.